Hey, there's the little angel. Look, I brought you a treat.
Okay, but just one, because he's getting a little chunky.
No, there's no such thing.
That's when I
Oh,
realized.
I almost forgot the chicken tax. Here you
No,
go.
really, he's on a diet.
Oh, okay.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just saving it for later. See? Oops. Oh, clumsy me. Let me just clean that up real fast. Here you go, Milo.
What's all this?
Nothing. It's not what it looks like.
That's it.
No.
This is all going in the trash.
Well, Milo, good thing we have this.